Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to make a video call on Facebook. Whether you're catching up with friends or connecting with family, it's quick and easy to get started. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Messages icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your conversations. Next, select the conversation with the person you want to call. If you can't find their chat in your recent messages, use the search bar at the top to locate their name. Once you've opened the conversation, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a video camera icon. Tap on this icon to initiate the video call. The call will start connecting immediately. If the person you're calling picks up, their video will appear on your screen, and you'll be able to chat face-to-face in real time. It's that simple. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make a video call on Facebook. Whether it's for a casual chat or an important meeting, Facebook makes staying connected effortless. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.